This is part of our commitment to reduce emissions on public transport and to decarbonise public transport. It's our first step that we've introduced a battery electric vehicle we've developed in collaboration with Wrightbus. This is an important step forward. We have 80 of these on order, and along with the hydrogen buses that we're bringing into service in Belfast, this will be a third of our Belfast Metro fleet will be zero carbon. And it's a big step forward for us to meet our commitments to be climate positive by 2050.
So this is a battery electric vehicle, so the battery runs completely on electricity. You charge it in a matter of about 2.5 hours, and it has a range of about 150 miles, so it's a total zero emissions bus. In Ballymena, we have designed this bus from the ground up. This is completely designed to be an electric vehicle, so that means we haven't compromised the space, room and comfort for the passengers inside.
Yes, I'm delighted to be here today to see this magnificent specimen behind me, which is going to be the way ahead when we get the other 79 and then the 38 up in Derry. I just want to thank Chris and the team for everything they've done, for Wrightbus because they really had trust in us and we in them, and that partnership's fantastic. And to see the 4 young people along today, 2 young women and 2 young men, and they're not the future, they're the present. And it's brilliant for them to be on the bus and to see the technology and to believe that this could be part of their future as well.
I would like to see a lot more cars and, as you say, businesses becoming more electric, finding more sustainable ways of getting electricity.
I think zero-emission buses are really important because people can go places, like faraway places, without feeling like they're contributing to the climate crisis in a bad way.
It's the first double-deck bus that Wrightbus have designed and built, and we've worked in collaboration with them to do that. Because it's a first-off bus, it'll have to be type approved, and there'll be a lot of training for our staff. There'll be a lot of new infrastructure to be installed, charging infrastructure, and a lot of upskilling as well. So that'll all take time, and it means that the first ones will go into service in March of next year.